Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial different ways to locate the music application on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, access to the desktop application music. We can now start the tutorial. So now let's go around to the dock, go to Launchpad, and then go to search for the music application. That's one way to locate. The second way will be to conduct a spotlight search for the music application. We can also go to Finder, Applications, search for music. The last way to access the music application is from the dock. Click on this, and if this is the first time you are accessing the music application, this is what we are presented with on screen. Welcome to the music application. Start listening. Hear about the new music features. Continue. Music notifications may include alerts, sounds, and icon badges. Let's now increase the size of the music application window. And this itself is very different to iTunes and whatever we're used to. It's all about streaming now. Physical media, copies of music have all been removed. Everything is now online, being held on their servers. What is being done in today's day and age is you pay a subscription, you have access to all the music. The minute you cut the subscription, you lose access to all the music. In these tutorials, we are taking it back to the days of physical media, physical copies, digital downloads. So we have access to everything on screen. We can now quit the music application. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.